So you might be wondering what's going on here. Duncan's strapping his motorcycle in the back of his truck, wakeboards and kayaks. Duncan, what exactly are you doing?
The ocean's flat today. We gotta make do with what we got, all right? We've done some grade A jerry rigging and we've got our guide. Now, no matter how this thing's rolling, where we're pulling, it's getting right into the spool.
That is some engineering.
That's it. Bro! Go, good, so good, go! Yep, keep the spool going. All right, that's it. Bro, it so works.
So we have finished the spooling. It works really well. Now Duncan is taping up our handle. This is gonna be wild. Look at that. This is a contraption.
Clay's gonna get out here in the kayak. We're gonna tie the line to him and then we're gonna tow him back here and see how it works. I'm gonna throw this sucker in neutral and you should be live. Yeah.
Out he goes.
First,
For our first tow.
First tow.
First test tow with the kayak. I think that kayak's about to go as fast as it's ever gone before.
Ready? Yeah, nice and slow, nice and slow, nice and slow. Get some tension on it. There you go. Keep her going. Yeah. That was sick. That was gnarly.
All right, Duncan, surf's up. I can't believe this is happening.
Give me some gas.
Yeah.
All right, so we have now come to V2 with thicker rope because the rope kept breaking. All right, Duncan, surf's up.
You got me.
Yeah,
dude.
dude.
Fucking pulling you.
Should I put this in your thing and I paddle?
Yeah. Yeah. Like pulling you. Give me that. Oh my goodness.
All right, bro. Let it rip. Get it! Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, just leave it there.
And the rope's tensioning. And we're starting to plane. That'll so work.
All right, baby girl. Be nice to me.
Wow, she does not carve like I thought it would. That's funny. That's so great. Well, you know, it wasn't gonna work forever. That was a good effort we put in today. Sorry, Duster. We always want one more, but we have to call it quits today.
I think it's pretty tight.
Until the next one. How was it?
Oh yeah. Fucking sick.